good morning. Thought we would do a wedding in a day. Doing things a little bit differently this morning. Making an iced coffee, but I made some breakfast. I wanted to make the egg since I did like a scramble of egg and egg white. I just kind of wanted to make it the morning of. Added some potato to that, these chicken sausage from Trader Joe's, and some green salsa as you saw. So I'm just kind of letting that cool for a second. And I'm going to make my coffee. So I have a cup of ice. I brewed a double shot from my Nespresso. So pour that in. I got this almond milk. Morgan got me this. Higher Harvest. If you are an HEB shopper in Texas, this new brand I'm loving, Higher Harvest. This is the unsweetened almond milk, unsweetened vanilla, and it's really, really good. So I'm going to do about that much. And then I'm going to add a little bit of creamer. And that is our coffee for today. I was doing the protein coffee last week with the protein shake, and it just, like, I love it on Monday, and by like Wednesday, I'm like, this is disgusting. Like, it just starts to gross me out. I don't know. So small doses on the protein coffee, but this should be, I'll put the protein on the screen. Should be plenty. 1 egg, 6 tablespoons egg whites. I know the 2 chicken sausages are 13, not 13 total protein. So should have at least getting close to 30, which is the goal for breakfast. I'm gonna load this into my lunchbox here, put some stuff away, probably grab a carbonated water to take to the office. I will be getting lunch out today. So stay tuned for that because I'm not sure what that will look like yet. And then we'll come home and make some dinner. But I've got to head to the office, so I'll see y'all later. I don't know if I'm going to drink this today, but I am going to bring it the cold pressed juice from Trader Joe's. I just picked this up over the weekend when I was there, something fun. But it's 90 calories. It has 17 kale leaves, 1 pound of spinach, 1 large apple, 1/4 of an English cucumber, a celery stalk, a lemon, and 2 inches of ginger. So this might taste terrible, but I'm interested to try it. I'm kind of on the mend of feeling really sick last week, so I figured some extra greens could do your girl some good. Actually, I have to go feed my dad's baby cow this morning before I go to work, which is random. But I'm gonna do that, and I'll try to get a little footage of the baby because he's so freaking cute.
So for lunch, I went to a local place with my dad, but since it wasn't in the tracker, I just used McAllister's Deli as like a similar place. Ate half of my sandwich. I forgot to show it, so here's the other half. Some of the chips. And then around 4 p.m., I usually open an energy drink so I can go do my workout right after work. This is the Pink Slush by Alani Nu. One of the newer ones. I really like it. It's super similar to the Cherry Slush if you've had that one.
Hey y'all, so I am at Discount Tire right now, sort of a change of plans after work. I'm still sipping on the Alani Nu Pink Slush. Sorry about my voice if I sound a little nasally. I'm kind of recovering from like a cold I had last week, and I'm due for my shot that like helps with my polyps in my nose. If you've been around, you already know, but it got like delayed because of this. It's like a long story, but I should be getting it soon, so yay. But yeah, sipping on this and waiting for Morgan. His car had a flat tire and he's trying to sell it actually, so we're getting it fixed. I'm just waiting. They already checked him in. I'm just waiting to see if they're like gonna do it right now or if he's gonna have to come back and get it. I'm not really sure. It's pretty busy, so I feel like we might have to come back. I don't know, but that's what I'm doing. We are gonna go, instead of going to the gym since I had to come here, I think we're gonna end up going for a long walk. Hopefully, if we get out of here soon, we're gonna go on a walk in our neighborhood. We kind of did the route that we're going to take, and it should be a couple of miles. So that'll be good. Today I'll just use as like, you know, cardio, walking, whatever day. And then we'll get in the gym tomorrow and get some lifting in. But I will keep you updated. If for some reason we get home late, I might do some dumbbells at home. And do a little lifting, just like arms. And then I could do some cardio on the treadmill. I don't know. We'll just have to see where the day takes us. I fully intended, I brought my gym bag and everything, fully intended on doing upper body at the gym today. But I didn't know that we were going to be able to get his Tahoe towed today. So it kind of worked out. It just worked out that way.
So that I would give you an update, but I will see y'all later. I'll keep you updated on the activity and what we end up cooking for dinner.
Oh.
I do too. Look, I'm in my Hokas. All right, y'all, we are going to head out for a walk. I just threw on this workout top. It's from Amazon. I will link it for you down below. I love it. Love the square neck. It's giving Lululemon, but on a budget. And then I'm wearing some just black leggings. These are actually also a dupe, but they are a Buff Bunny legging dupe. I've shown you all these before. I'm obsessed. Like just a good high-waisted, nice fitting black legging. I live. They also have some patterns. I have some of the pattern ones too, but I really like these. They're one of my go-tos. And then I just have my Hokas on. Morgan got me these for Christmas or birthday. I can't remember because they're both in December, so sometimes I get the gifts confused. But he got them for me last year, and I love them. Wear them all the time. I feel like I'm walking on clouds. So we're gonna go get a workout in, and we'll let you guys know whenever we get back.
That you're walking on clouds because it's hot as the sun out there. Right?
It is. It's literally 96 degrees. 96 degrees in Texas. What do you think about that, Hutchison? What do you think about that?
You are not going.
No,
Burn
it's
your
too
feet.
hot. We can't burn those little pawpaws. No. You guys, look, you can see the sweat. Ooh, collarbone. Girl, get it. Yeah, we're literally so sweaty. It's 6:33. I think we left at 5:35 was what time I looked at the phone when you were on the phone.
Yeah.
And we were already walking. So I'm gonna look at the health app. I was at 1,700 steps for the day. This is just my phone. I walk around at work without my phone, obviously, so it's hard to say that's super accurate. But now we're at 7,800. So we walked, how many, like 6,000?
Roughly.
About 6,000.
The steps for what we did, I drove it out in the car because I used to go the same route. It's like you go down a big hill, but then a lot of it coming back is uphill.
You wanna be on camera?
That's fine. It was, I think, right at a 5K.
Yeah.
It was like 3.2.
I think that's
3.3.
right.
And it's about
Because they say it's like, what, 2,500 steps in a mile, roughly. And we went almost 6,500. Went like 6,100. So that would have been close. So only 1,000 off.
I guess somewhere around there. I think that's what it was, driving distance, though, from what I did. At any rate.
We're dying. It's so hilly where we live. I mean, San Antonio would be the hill country, and they freaking mean it.
Yeah, and we are the stupid people that went and walked outside at 5 o'clock.
In 97-degree heat. Yes, we did, but we did it. And honestly, it felt so good. That last little bit was hard, but it felt so good. Yeah, it's 92 right now. Crazy.
I don't mind the heat, though.
I
We were
don't
having
either.
a conversation. I don't mind the heat if I'm outside.
I just
and it's
need
okay for
water.
me to be sweating. Mm-hmm. It's like I don't want to go outside and go to a restaurant when it's 92 degrees outside.
Yeah.
If that makes any sense.
Like we were outside meaning to get a sweat in, so the heat wasn't bad. But if we were like trying to go get dinner, face full of makeup, nice outfit, that's when the heat sucks. But anyways, we're going to, oh my God, look, I'm glistening. We're gonna catch our breath. We're gonna relax. Morgan's probably gonna hop in the shower and then I'll hop in the shower. Not really thinking about dinner right at this second, but later when we figure it out, we'll check back in. Okay, good news. I didn't let my phone update whenever we got back, so I'm actually at 8,700 steps for the day. Meaning we went,
About 7,000.
yeah, 7,000 steps in one quick walk. I mean, it wasn't that quick, but it felt quick, right?
Yeah.
Felt quick. I mean, I guess we were gone almost an hour, but
Thanks.
It was
A
fun.
lot of that's uphill, though.
it is. The whole way back was uphill. That's the bad part.
And it's not, I mean, it's fairly steep.
Yeah, it is freaking steep. Yeah, the last half was a doozy. But we love it, and we get some of our like best talks during our
We
walking.
really do have some of our best conversations
Yeah.
while walking.
It's like best conversation, so we love it. Highly recommend doing that with
your significant other or just a friend. So fun. So I'm having a string cheese that I got at Trader Joe's, just the light one. There's 60 calories, 8 grams of protein. So this is my little after walk snack, and I'll show you dinner. Okay, y'all, took a shower, ready to cook some dinner. We are gonna make this steak tonight. Just, I don't know, whatever I got at H-E-B, grass-fed sirloin filet. So we got 2 of those we're gonna cook up. We might dice it and do like steak bites. I don't know yet, depending on however Morgan wants to cook it. My favorite, I mean, we're obsessed with the Idaho and potatoes. They're so, so easy. They're calorie friendly and they're just delicious. So we're doing the loaded baked potato for those. And then I'm gonna cook up some vegetables. I have some mushrooms for another dinner that we're gonna use later in the week, but I know I won't use the whole thing. So use up some of those tonight. And I'm also gonna do some green beans and I'm just gonna cook those up in the air fryer. I'll probably do, since these are like pretty skinny green beans, you can see that one. I'll probably just do like 8 minutes in the air fryer and throw the mushrooms in with like 3 to 4 minutes left. And that should be fine. I'm just gonna season them with probably Cavender's, which is like a Greek seasoning. So that is super quick, easy dinner. Should only take 20 minutes. Okay, so I got some avocado oil and the Cavender's Greek seasoning out. I'm going to start with the green beans. These are just whole frozen green beans. Little avocado oil. Cavender's. This is plenty like salty. So I think that's all I'm gonna add. Throw those in the air fryer. Okay, so I threw the green beans in. Now I'm gonna do the mushrooms. I don't know if you're supposed to like wipe these down when they're already cut, but I'm not going to. There we go. A little bit of oil. I'm just gonna toss these in the last couple of minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do some sea salt. And some black pepper. I'm gonna go in with blackened steak magic. We love these Chef Paul Prudhomme seasonings. We use a lot of them. Let those. Yeah, these are a little thicky. All right, y'all. Looks delicious. The vegetables turned out perfectly. The steak, so quick and easy. I kind of failed on the green beans. I don't know what I was thinking. I just did not do very many. I think I was thinking because I was gonna have mushroom too, we wouldn't need that much, but they kind of shrink. So that's on me, a little bit of a fail, but we do have lots of steak and potatoes to fill up on.